Continuing on with our time remapping head replacement here. Let's just again hold down Command and locate the next syllable. Oh, in a lot of cases you can see what's going on here. So let's just to on, that's Honest Richard, as every car dealer is, of course. Let's try that for on. Nest. Honest. So there's the beginning of the word Richard. Let's find something that looks like it could work for an R. There's the CH. And again, we don't necessarily have to have the real syllable sound, because again, in a lot of cases, we're not going to be able to get all of those different expressions into a single syllable, nor do we necessarily want to. If we were actually trying to do real lip sync, we'd just reshoot the video and record the audio. Here, we're doing it for different purposes. So let's see, that could work. Honest Richard's use, so we want a sort of an ooh looking sound for that. Used awe, so let's try to find an auto sort of thing. Okay, some of these are not going to work necessarily, but some of them could. Okay, let's try that for awe. Toe, let's see if we can get a nice looking O sort of sound here, or O sort of visual, really, of course. Let's try that. Auto sales. So we want something that's going to look a little bit like an S, somebody saying an S kind of. Let's try down here. That might work. Sales. For. Let's see how that works. For all. So for all. There's all. For all. Not too far. For all. Your. Oh, that could work. Used. Now we want to make sure that we use a different image here every time we swap out, just to make sure that we get a change in between these. Although it can be effective to sort of toggle between two different images. You might get a sort of interesting visual effect that way. And we'll try that once we have our basic animation set up here. Used ought, again, ought, to, auto, right there is needs. I could be saying needs there. Let's see. And we want finally a last big smile. There we go. Okay, let's preview this in the next video.